Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Myself Chitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. Welcome in the class. So kids, in the previous class we have already read about on, in and under. So today we will do an exercise of same topic. So take out your English workbook, open page number 119. Mention the date and classwork at the top. Now let's read the question. Fill in the blanks with in, on and under. Fill in the blanks with in, on and under. So kids, some pictures are given over here. So we have to fill these blanks according to these pictures. So take out your pencil and come to first one. A pencil, pencil. Is dash the box, box. A pencil is dash the box. So kids, where is a pencil? A pencil is in the box. So we have to write here in. So kids, write in. A pencil is in the box. Now come to next. A fish, fish. Is dash the pot. A fish is dash the pot. So kids, where is a fish? A fish is in the pot. Okay, so again we have to write here in. So kids, write here in. A fish is in the pot. Now come to next one. A girl. Is dash umbrella. A girl is dash the umbrella. Now kids, where is a girl? Tell me. A girl is under the umbrella. A girl is under the umbrella. So we have to write here spelling of under. 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 So kids, write with me. UNDER. Under. A girl is under the umbrella. Okay, now look here. FRUITS, fruits. ARER dash the BASKET, basket. Fruits are dash the basket. So kids, what should I write here? Fruits are in the basket. Fruits are in the basket. So we have to write here in. So kids, write in. Fruits are in the basket. Now look here. A pot. Is dash T-A-B-L-E, table. A pot is dash the table. So, a pot is on the table. A pot is on the table. So, we have to write here O-N, on. So, kids, write here O-N, on. A pot is on the table. Now kids, come to page number 120. Start. A, C-A-T, cat. I-S is dash, T-H-E, the, M-A-T, mat. A cat is dash the mat. So kids, tell me, where is a cat? A cat is on the mat. A cat is on the mat. So we have to write here O-N, on. So kids, write with me. O-N, on. A cat is on the mat. Now look here. A, D-O-G, dog. I-S is dash, T-H-E, the, T-A-B-L-E, table. A dog is dash the table. Now kids, where is a dog? Tell me. Yes, a dog is under the table. A dog is under the table. So we have to write here U-N-D-E-R, under. So write with me. U-N-D-E-R, under. A dog is under the table. Okay. Now move to next. W-A-T-E-R, water. I-S is dash, T-H-E, the, G-L-A-S-S, glass. Water is dash the glass. So kids, water is in the glass. Water is in the glass. So write here I-N, in. Water is in the glass. Now move to next. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. I-S is dash, T-H-E, the, T-R-E-E, tree. A rabbit is dash the tree. So kids, where is a rabbit? A rabbit is under the tree. A rabbit is under the tree. Okay, so we have to write here U-N-D-E-R, under. U-N-D-E-R, U-N-D-E-R, under. A rabbit is under the tree. A rabbit is under the tree. Now last one is B-O-Y, boy. I-S is S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting. Dash, T-H-E, the, C-H-A-I-R, chair. A boy is sitting. Dash, the chair. Now where is a boy sitting? A boy is sitting on the chair. A boy is sitting on the chair. So we have to write here O-N, on. O-N, on. A boy is sitting on the chair. Let's read once again. A pencil is in the box. A fish is in the pot. A girl is under the umbrella. Fruits are in the basket. A pot is on the table. A cat is on the mat. A dog is under the table. Water is in the glass. A rabbit is under the tree. A boy is sitting on the chair. So kids, you have to complete pages 119 and 120, 119 and 120 of your English workbook, and you have to also color these pictures very beautifully. And kids, you also have to complete book exercise page number 4343. Let's read the question. Tick the correct words. So kids, we have to tick the correct words according to these pictures. Let's read. The bag is on / under the table. So kids, where is the bag? The bag is on the table. The bag is on the table. So we have to tick here like this. Now next one is the river is on / under the bridge. The river is under the bridge. The river is under the bridge. The boy is on /in in the room. Okay, so where is the boy? The boy is in the room. The boy is in the room. So we have to tick here. Next one is the monkey is on / under the tree. Now kids, where is the monkey? The monkey is on the tree. The monkey is on the tree. So we have to tick here like this. Now move to next. The elephant is in / under the tree. Now where is the elephant? The elephant is under the tree. So kids, we have to tick here like this. Now come to last one. The snake is in / under the hole. So kids, where is the snake? The snake is in the hole. The snake is in the hole. So kids, you have to tick here like this. So kids, like this you have to complete page number 43 of your English Pre-Primer book. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.